Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add form builder app on Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. So first of all, open Shopify App Store. So type here shopify.com/apps. And search here form builder. And here you'll find several form builder app, and I'm going to installing this one. And the name of this app is form builder with file upload. So click on add app. And click on install app. So here you can see the form builder app has been successfully installed to my Shopify website, and now we can easily create a new form, and we can see my current forms by clicking here.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.